Meet ROBOQI Alexa, a smart car charger with Amazon Alexa built in, makes your car smart. Alexa, take me to the nearest restaurant.
Getting direction to Alexander's Steakhouse.
You can play music, audiobook, check calendar, shopping, and more.
Hey Google, change to a view of Hawaii.
Okay, enjoy Hawaii.
And they are known for small, useful and really practical outdoor gear and devices. For example, they have lamps, mini lamps, but they also have air pumps. And it has a super compact design. Also, no summer weekend is complete without an outdoor barbecue, of course. And if you're still using the traditional way of lighting a charcoal grill, those vacuum storage bags are just so easy.
Sometimes I need a little extra boost, and that's where the heated base layer by DURAN comes in. And I wear it every time I head out to shoot. The ultra-thin heating tech doesn't get in the way, and the various heating zones warm my chest, shoulders, back, and hands.
This is not true wireless. This is not sport wireless. This is not a neck band. This is the AirLoop, and it's all three. AirLoop is an earphone that transforms. Its powerful magnetic links snap together to form a sport band or a neck band. Together, these three modes give you an option for any situation.